work here as HR director and legal. I take care of the HR activities like onboarding in HighIQ and also administration as well. And I have around 23 years of experience in HR as well as immigration and contracts. I've been working in various companies like industry you can call like domains like implementation, service industry, infrastructure. And this is the first company where I'm working in a product development company, which is now more excited. And because we have our own product to sell, others were been, my previous companies, they used to either sell, implement, or give the solution of the products which are being developed by other companies. So here, this is our own HighIQ products, which we're gonna sell and deploy at customers and client locations. This is more exciting, and yeah. The most challenging task in HighIQ is HR, like I and my team, implementing the HRIS tool, that is Keka HR. Because till mid of 2020, HighIQ employees were, the HR totally was into manual, like any kind of leave request, employee used to send an email to the reporting manager, and then any kind of expenses, they were all attachments to an email. And these things would take some time, and the employee was not able to keep a track whether his or her expenses have been approved or not, and where it is getting stuck. So that is one. And again, the leave approvals as well as the comp-offs, all this were creating a lot of communication gap was there, because even though they send out an email, maybe due to busy schedule, reporting manager may not look at it, and so on. So these all challenges were faced by HR and even the reporting managers and all the team leads or directors and the management as well. So keeping a track of each and everything what employee is doing is very difficult when it comes to manual. And so we introduced this Keka HR, so wherein everything is automated, right from the attendance tracking and the leave tracking. And when your employee requests a leave, they will come to know whether any of their team members also have opted for the same day leave, so that they can either prepone or postpone their leave, and to avoid any kind of hindrance to the work which is going on in that particular department. I'm passionate about pets. I have a puppy, I have 2 pairs of lovebirds, and I'm more passionate of community service as such. Whenever I get time, I'm only vice president also where the society where I'm living. So I spend some time with my committee members and taking care of the colony and cleanliness and so on. Thank you.